NES Controller. The NES Controller, released by Nintendo in 1985 alongside the Nintendo Entertainment System, is one of the most historically significant game controllers ever made. Its simple rectangular design featured a directional pad on the left, two action buttons labeled A and B on the right, and start and select buttons in the center. The directional pad, commonly called the D-pad, was itself a revolutionary invention by Nintendo designer Gunpei Yokoi that replaced the joystick for precision two-dimensional movement. This flat, cross-shaped input became the foundation for virtually every game controller designed in the decades that followed. The NES controller established the fundamental layout principles of modern game controllers at a time when the home gaming industry was rebuilding itself after the video game crash of 1983.
SNES Controller. The Super Nintendo Entertainment System controller, released in 1990, refined and expanded the NES design in ways that proved enormously influential on the future of gaming. It introduced 4 face buttons arranged in a diamond pattern, Y, X, B, and A, along with 2 shoulder buttons on the upper edges. The addition of shoulder buttons created a new dimension of input that game designers quickly embraced. The curved shape of the grip was also more ergonomically considered than the flat NES design. Nintendo's choice of color coding the 4 face buttons in distinct colors, purple, yellow, blue, and green, became an iconic visual identity for the controller that players could immediately identify without looking down at their hands.
PlayStation DualShock Controller. Sony's DualShock controller, introduced with the original PlayStation in 1997, fundamentally changed gaming by adding dual analog thumbsticks and vibration feedback to a mainstream controller for the first time. The 2 analog sticks allowed smooth, 3-dimensional camera and character control that digital directional pads could not provide, arriving at exactly the right moment as games transitioned from 2-dimensional to 3-dimensional environments. The rumble motors inside created physical feedback synchronized with on-screen events, explosions, collisions, and impacts, adding a new sensory dimension to gameplay. The DualShock design has remained remarkably consistent across PlayStation 2, 3, 4, and 5 generations, evolving in refinement while preserving the core layout that players worldwide have memorized over decades.
Xbox controller. Microsoft entered the gaming console market in 2001 with the original Xbox and a controller that prioritized comfort for larger hands, featuring offset analog sticks with the left stick placed higher than the right. This asymmetric stick layout contrasted with Sony's symmetric placement and sparked a player preference debate that continues to this day. The Xbox controller evolved significantly with the Xbox 360, producing what many consider the definitive template for comfortable modern controller design. The Xbox Series X controller, the current iteration, retains the fundamental layout while adding textured grips, a share button, and a USB-C charging port. Microsoft's Xbox controllers are also fully compatible with Windows PCs, making them the most widely used controllers for computer gaming worldwide.
Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. The Joy-Con controllers, introduced with the Nintendo Switch in 2017, represent one of the most versatile and unconventional controller designs in gaming history. They are 2 small independent units that can attach to the sides of the Switch console for handheld play, connect to a grip accessory to form a traditional controller shape, or be held individually in each hand for motion-based games. Each Joy-Con contains an analog stick, buttons, motion sensors, an infrared camera, and a haptic feedback system called HD Rumble that can simulate precise physical sensations. 2 players can share a single set of Joy-Cons for multiplayer gaming using 1 controller each. The flexibility of the Joy-Con system reflects Nintendo's broader philosophy of prioritizing novel and social gameplay experiences over raw technical performance.
Nintendo Switch Pro Controller. The Nintendo Switch Pro controller offers a more traditional gaming experience for players who prefer the feel of a conventional, full-sized controller over the compact Joy-Cons. It features a standard layout with 2 analog sticks, a directional pad, 4 face buttons, shoulder buttons, triggers, and a home button in a comfortable ergonomic shape. The Pro controller supports amiibo functionality through a built-in NFC reader, gyroscope motion controls, HD rumble, and provides significantly longer battery life than the Joy-Cons on a single charge. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth and charges through USB-C. Many Switch owners purchase the Pro controller as a preferred option for home gaming sessions where portability is not required.
Racing Wheel Controller. Racing wheel controllers replace traditional gamepads for driving simulation games, providing a significantly more realistic and immersive experience for racing enthusiasts. They consist of a steering wheel that clamps to a desk or attaches to a dedicated stand, paired with pedals that sit on the floor for gas, brake, and clutch inputs. Force feedback motors in the wheel simulate the physical sensations of driving: road texture, tire grip, curb strikes, and understeer, allowing skilled players to feel the car's behavior through their hands. Professional-level racing wheels from manufacturers like Fanatec and Thrustmaster can cost thousands of dollars and closely replicate the equipment used in real motorsport driver training simulators. Entry-level racing wheels offer a more accessible introduction to sim racing at lower price points.
Flight Stick Controller. Flight Stick controllers, also called joysticks, are specialized input devices designed for flight simulation games and space combat titles. A central stick controls pitch and roll of the aircraft, while a twist or separate rudder pedals control yaw. Throttle controls are typically provided either as a separate unit or integrated into a combined HOTAS setup, which stands for hands-on throttle and stick. This configuration places all essential flight controls within reach of both hands, without requiring the pilot to move their hands away from the primary controls, mirroring real aircraft cockpit design philosophy. Dedicated flight sim communities invest heavily in realistic setups that can include multiple monitors, head tracking systems, and button boxes to recreate the cockpit experience as faithfully as possible at home.
Arcade Stick Controller. Arcade sticks, also known as fight sticks, replicate the input hardware found in traditional arcade game cabinets: a large joystick and a row of large buttons mounted in a flat box enclosure. They are favored by competitive fighting game players, who argue that the precise joystick movements and large responsive buttons allow for more accurate and faster execution of complex move combinations than analog thumbsticks. The large format also reduces finger fatigue during extended competitive play sessions. Premium arcade sticks use Sanwa or Seimitsu components sourced directly from Japanese arcade machine manufacturers, the same hardware used in tournament arcade machines. The fighting game community has maintained a dedicated culture around arcade stick use that persists strongly even decades after actual arcades became rare.
Adaptive Controller. The Xbox Adaptive Controller, released by Microsoft in 2018, was designed specifically to make gaming accessible to players with limited mobility, missing limbs, or conditions that make standard controllers difficult or impossible to use. The large, flat device features 2 oversized programmable buttons and a series of 3.5mm jack ports along the edges that accept a wide range of external switches, buttons, joysticks, and foot pedals from accessibility hardware manufacturers. Players can build a completely customized control setup tailored to their specific physical capabilities and needs. The adaptive controller works with Xbox consoles and Windows PCs and can be used alongside standard controllers for cooperative play. Its development represented a meaningful acknowledgement by a major gaming company that accessibility in gaming deserves genuine investment and thoughtful design.
That covers all the kinds of gaming controllers we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure to subscribe to ByteSimple. We break down a new tech topic every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which gaming controller do you use? See you in the next one.